What's up, guys? AK is restoring original spotlights near that pond. So far so good. The purpose of the video, just discuss if it's worth it. For me, it's a lot of fun. I'm an electronic engineer and I like to know how's everything made. And I grew up in Soviet Union, which is tough time. We try to fix everything possible. So I fix one, and if I can fix one more and this just as a backup, that will be great. What you see, this junk, it's from 4 years. They just lay down on the ground. Deers probably knocked them down, broke those spikes. So I have two original spotlight from my set of 6 baller lights and 2 of those. I'm keeping them just also in case. One baller light broke fixture, so I'm using 5. So I have 2 more spots for those spotlights. This is original transformer. Brand is probably not exist anymore. Portfolio Outdoor. Scary. This is for outdoor. No, it's not. The company, I don't think so. The company exists anymore. So everything corroded, cheap materials. This is funny. I saw the optical input. This is like for sensor. Good idea, but oh boy, scary. If it's worth it to do it for you, well, I'll tell you. This is about $35 to $40 of Amazon or different outlets, a little bit probably higher price. I don't have any affiliation with Amazon or any different outlets. That will cost you. The problem with Amazon or even like those guys, you might not see it after a year. Sometimes products just disappear, you know. So far it cost me like $10 for those MR16 bulbs. That's the GU 5.3, that's the socket. I'm not gonna mess up with the sockets here. If it's not repairable, they're going to garbage can. So one more thing. Yeah, at this point I spent probably like $10 free shipping from Amazon. If you mention there's some stuff cannot take out, and I did here, I'm just using that blade, scraping very carefully. Small stuff already kind of burned to the glass, but it's working. Yeah, and this is after like 4 years, nobody touched it. So far, it's worth it. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye bye.